Hello everyone, this is my review of the Lelequay electric bike. The folding design makes it super easy to store or throw in the trunk, which is perfect if you don't have much space. The motor has enough torque to get up to speed pretty quickly, and it handles hills better than I thought it would. It can hit around 20 miles per hour, which feels fast for something this small. I also like the pedal assist options, so it works whether you're looking for a workout or just an easy ride. The battery life is solid. I can get multiple rides out of a charge, and it's nice that the battery is removable so I can charge it inside. Another thing that stood out is how easy it is to ride. The seismic is really maneuverable, especially in city areas or tight spaces. It also feels pretty stable for a smaller bike. The frame is sturdy, and the brakes respond well when you need to stop. Overall, it's a great mix of portability and performance. Easy to store, quick to ride, and really convenient for everyday use. If you want a compact electric bike for commuting or short trips that's simple and fun to use, this is definitely a solid option. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.